Hello, ZenTuners. We would like to take you through the latest update on the web portal. This update now has a few new cool features for most of the slave tools and other cool tools like the power gate. You will notice the Create Job button here that has replaced the Upload button. Click and you will not be directed to upload your file. You have to select your tool first. This is so for some slave tools like Bitbox and personal flashers that run their own cloud server. Now you won't need to attach a fake file to create the job. Fill in your request as normal and you'll get a notification when the job is complete. Now let's create a job with a slave tool. Simply select the slave tool that you have registered and upload the file. Once uploaded, it will work similar to a master file on our portal. Our entire databank of dyno-tested file matching service will apply to you as if you are a master. Simply select the match that you would like and you can download a file coded to your tool instantly. Otherwise, you can continue as per normal. This is to save you time and effort. You won't even need to enter a single detail. Just select the level of tuning and get the file instantly. How cool is that? There is a fee of 1 credit per tool you wish to unlock the service on. This service is to give ZenTuners a much quicker and more efficient way of tuning. Please make sure to like and subscribe so we can keep you informed of all our updates. Thanks for watching, and let's get back to tuning.